In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to generate financial reports in Zoho Books step by step. Financial reports are one of the most important tools for understanding your business performance, whether you want to track revenue, monitor expenses, review profitability, or prepare information for your accountant. Zoho Books makes it very easy to generate detailed reports in just a few clicks. The best part is that you can also customize these reports and export them in different formats like PDF or Excel, so you can share them with your team or clients. So if you're using Zoho Books for accounting, learning how to generate these reports will save you a lot of time and give you a much clearer picture of your business finances. And if you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple software tutorials just like this. Now, let's jump right into the process. First, log into your Zoho Books account and open your dashboard. Once you're inside Zoho Books, look over to the left side of the screen where you'll see the main navigation menu. In this sidebar, find and click on the option called Reports. The Reports section is where Zoho Books stores all of your financial analytics, summaries, and accounting statements. After clicking Reports, you'll see a list of report categories that help organize different types of financial data. These categories make it easier to locate the exact report you need without having to search through everything manually. Next, look for the category called Business Overview. This section contains some of the most commonly used financial reports for understanding how your business is performing overall. Inside the Business Overview section, you'll see several report options available. One of the most important reports here is the Profit and Loss Report. The Profit and Loss Report shows your total revenue, your expenses, and ultimately whether your business is making a profit or operating at a loss during a specific period of time. Go ahead and click on Profit and Loss to open the report. Once the report opens, Zoho Books will display the financial data based on the default settings, but in many cases you may want to adjust the report to match a specific time period or reporting requirement. To do that, look at the top of the page and click on the button labeled Customize Report. This option allows you to change the parameters of the report so it displays exactly the data you want. One of the most important settings here is the date range. Click on the date range selector and choose the time period you want to analyze. For example, you might select this financial year if you want to see performance for the current fiscal year. You can also choose options like this month, last month, this quarter, or even create a completely custom date range depending on your reporting needs. After selecting the correct date range and adjusting any other settings you want, go ahead and run the report. Zoho Books will now generate the updated profit and loss report based on the filters and settings you selected. You'll immediately see your revenue categories, expense categories, and the final net profit or loss displayed clearly on the screen. This makes it easy to quickly understand how your business is performing financially. Now, if you want to save this report or share it with someone else, Zoho Books also allows you to export the report. To do this, go to the top right corner of the page and click the button labeled Export As. When you click this option, you'll see several export formats available. You can export the report as a PDF if you want a clean document for sharing or printing. You can export it as XLS if you want to open and analyze the data in Microsoft Excel. Or you can choose CSV if you want a simple spreadsheet format that works with many different tools. Simply choose the format you want and Zoho Books will download the report to your computer. And that's it. That's how you generate financial reports in Zoho Books quickly and easily. Once you know where the report section is and how to customize the report settings, you can generate detailed financial insights for any time period in just a few seconds. If this video helped you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more helpful Zoho tutorials and software guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.